Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at word families and understand what they are and why we need to know word families. So first of all, what are word families? Well, word families are a group of words that share a common base or root that's often similar in meaning. And we can add a prefix before and a suffix at the end, so to the base, in order to create a new member of the word family. So if we look at an example, we have the word belief, and when we add the suffix s, beliefs, we have more than one. Believe, believing, the continuous form. Disbelieve, we add the prefix, it changes the meaning. Not believe. Believable, it changes both the meaning and the grammatical part of speech. If we can able, it means we can. It's something we can believe. Unbelievable, here we have it's not believable. It's not something we can believe. So if we look and we say that we have prefixes in the beginning, suffixes at the end. And most of the time, prefixes show us meaning. It changes meaning. When we add un or dis, we change the meaning. When we add a suffix, it changes the part of speech. But sometimes it also changes meaning, as in the case of believable. So if you know the meaning of the base form, you can often understand the other members of its family. So if we take a look at infect is our base, and we have infection, T-I-O-N, a noun. Infectious, I-O-S, adjective. Disinfected, reinfect, not infectious. So here, if we know one word, we can understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional words, if not more. We know what the word care means. Careful, to be full of care. Carefully, and here we have two suffixes, full and ly, which shows us the adverb. Careless, and les means without care, uncaring. So if we learn the meanings of frequent prefixes, that'll help us understand and figure out what the word means. The same with suffixes. We need to learn to recognize the part of speech it shows us, but also to be aware if it carries some meaning. So what do we need to do? We need to know common prefixes and suffixes and what they mean. So anti, against, dis, the opposite, for, in, not, inter, like international, between, mid, in the middle, miss, wrongly, misunderstand, you understand something in the wrong way. And suffixes, when we see, we need to take it apart. So we look and say, all of these words show us that it's a noun. And these show us that it's a verb. And these adjectives and this adverb. So when we become aware and we say, I don't know the word, let me look for the base form or the root and see if it has a prefix or a suffix or both. So when we know word families and how to use suffixes and prefixes, we can grow our vocabulary. So if we look at a word like sign and we see sign, signature comes from the word sign, unsigned, signal, significant, design, assignment, redesign. So what we need to do first of all is say, this is our root, and what has been added as a prefix and as a suffix. So now it's your turn to go out there and look for the families and the friends that all make up a tree that will make your vocabulary grow.